It rained today. It sure rained. Everything's got really good and wet. I was worried about the plants. Yeah, I was really worried that they were gonna, but they made it. They did good. There's a lot of water. A lot of water. This is pumpkins right there in the straw. Some squash and some zucchini, and that's all squash. And back there, a pumpkin that was thrown in, and the peppers. They're taking their time growing. Yep. They need some dry weather. That's my peppers. Here's my cukes. They look beautiful. They look beautiful. Some herbs, some eggplant, Japanese eggplant, another zucchini here, and a squash over there. But it looks really good. I love to look at the garden when it rains. It's nice and green. Just that we've had a lot of rain today. And I was a little worried. A lot of little cukes. Yep. Everything is good. Everything looks nice and green, healthy. And the tomato plants look excellent. Really good. These plants. I'm gonna have another beautiful crop like I had last year. Well, that's luck. That is really luck. That is from this angle. Very lucky to have a crop like this. Look at that. Very lucky. The tomatoes are starting to come in. See them over there? There's some grapes. I got some celebrities coming in too. And today they really popped out. This is celebrities right here. Yep. Anyway, it all looks good. I got some squash over here too that's coming along. Here's this is a cherry tomato here. It's finally coming out. This is some more squash here. And this is the key. This is the engine of the garden right here. Yep, this is the engine of the garden. Whatever these guys eat and don't want, it goes back into the earth. That's, everything is recycled. Yep. Anyway, it's just a little video. Hope you like it.